probably guess what that is. So I got the ADRO V2 wing for the Veloster N, the full carbon fiber wing. So I'll be taking the OEM wing off the Veloster and throwing that one on today as well. Let's get into it and open this thing up. $10mm. So before you take the wing off, you have to unclip this and then just take this part right here and just pull it right off. So that just slides right off of there. And then the wing should just come off now. All right, so I was able to take the wing off. I got the old one, OEM one there, and the carbon one there. Moral support for girlfriend over there. But look how stupid the Veloster looks without a wing. I cannot get over how dumb it looks without a wing. It is just hilarious. But anyways, good thing we're gonna change that, put a big carbon wing on it, so. All right, well, I finally got the wing on there and it's looking really good. Thanks to my girlfriend for the support. It was really hot and at times a bit frustrating to get the adhesive off, but it's looking really good. So tomorrow I'm gonna be putting on some carbon vinyl, some carbon on the mirror caps, and I'll be making a video about how to do that as well. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and subscribe and comment if you have any other ideas I should do on the car. I still have some more videos that'll be coming out in the next couple weeks, so stay tuned.